Gemini said. Building a website with Claude in 2026 is no longer just about generating code snippets, it's about using agentic workflows that can design, build, and deploy entire applications for you. Depending on whether you need a quick landing page or a production-ready web app, you have two primary paths. Option 1, the visual-first path, artifacts. This is the fastest method for designers or entrepreneurs who want to see their site come to life in a live preview window on Claude.ai. Prompt to site, give Claude a detailed brief. For 2026, the model understands modern design trends like bento box layouts, glassmorphism, or neobrutalism. Live preview and iteration, a dedicated artifacts window opens on the right. You can see the fully functional React or HTML code rendered instantly. If you don't like a section, just say, make the hero section more dramatic with a mesh gradient background, and it updates in seconds. +1. Persistence and sharing. You can now save these artifacts across sessions or publish them to a unique URL. In 2026, artifacts can even include persistent storage, allowing you to build simple apps like a customer lead tracker that remembers data. Option 2, the agentic path, Claude Code. For developers, Claude Code is the 2026 gold standard. It's a CLI agent that doesn't just chat, it operates your terminal and file system. Project initialization, navigate to an empty folder and type Claude. Say, build a high-performance blog using Astro and Tailwind, and prepare it for Cloudflare deployment. The agentic build, Claude Code will plan the architecture, install the necessary NPM packages, create the folder structure, and write the actual code. It can even run a WCAG accessibility audit or a security scan on its own work before showing you the result. Deployment, once you're happy, you can tell the agent, push this to GitHub and deploy it to Vercel. It will handle the Git commits, create the repository using the GitHub CLI, and trigger T.